Welcome to Jing Si Books and Cafe. I'm Dr. Sally. As you may know, there are many healthy food products offered by many fine companies, including this one my friend and I are about to tell you. Jingsi means still thoughts in Chinese. The products we sold in our store are carefully manufactured and packed by the Buddhist nuns and volunteers in Tzu Foundation. Your purchase will help to support the charitable acts Tzu provides for more than 200 countries every year. I'm the founder of a popular tea and music class called Musicality. Today, I'm going to play the music of Tea for Two on my piano, and I'm inviting you for a cup of fine tea with me. After watching this short video, please give it a thumbs up and ring the bell below to receive the notification of our newest videos. So, let's go.